If you're looking for a daily superfood smoothie that's both highly customizable and covers a wide spectrum of your wellness needs, then look no further than this delicious, exceptionally well-balanced blend. To a blender, we'll add a banana for our base, as well as a little frozen mango, some ice, and some raw cashews to make things creamy. Now we can customize this by adding some of your favorite vanilla protein powder and some greens powder here too, again using whatever your favorite kind is. We'll also add a spoonful of medicinal mushroom powder using a variety that best suits your wellness needs, a spoonful of chia seeds for extra fiber, some unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and a pinch of sea salt. And we'll blend this all together until smooth. Full of protein, greens, antioxidants, and more, this milkshake-like smoothie is all ready to enjoy. Get the full recipe, cooking tips, and so much more at luminberry.com. Did you love this video? Give us a like and hit subscribe to get all the latest on cooking with superfoods.